According to Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, the drone service sector will create nearly 1 lakh jobs in the next 4 to 5 years. We presented a productivity-linked scheme for the drone sector, the minister stated at an Indo-American Chamber of Commerce event. The PLI scheme introduced last year would reward drone and component manufacturers with 20% of their value added over 3 years. The minister has identified 14 drone companies that will benefit from the PLI scheme. We see a rapid expansion of almost Rs 5,000 crores in investment, Scindia said. On expects 100,000 new employments in drone services in the next 4 to 5 years. It holds great promises, he says. Cities will generate 75% of India's national income by 2031. Transport and logistics will shape India's future in the coming years. Its commercial fleet will grow from 710 to 1,200 planes in 5 years. This year, the government wants to double the number of flying training organizations from 34 to 58. He stated India's global aircraft component industry is booming. Boeing currently imports $1 billion and Airbus $650 million from India, he added.